Lieutenant Colonel retire zete zualahi upa chal nu na late le pisoi kung ete fapa ni in kum sang khazakua somli pathum khwan phul pui khua alo pianga anu pui pi ro sang pui nen fa pati nein afanu pi pinki zo sang pui chuan pasal anei to a afapa zo sang lina po in nu pui anei to bok Lieutenant Colonel retire zete zualahian Government Mizo High School le Union Christian College Barapani Meghalaya te lekha azir thin ani lekha azir zo kum sangkha zakua samru pathum khan Indian Army Academy Dehradun sipai officer niturin training anei trana hei hi sipaya abul tranna ani training anei zo hian commission officer ti ani a sipaya hian Lieutenant Colonel athlenga Mizorama alo ho nuwa Sainik Welfare and Resettlement Mizorama Director na achel to ani Kohran le tlom ngai pola po thei top chuin mangve thrin ani a mission veng kohrana puitling Sunday School zirtir tu ani a mission veng biak in saklai khan work manager na achel nge nge khotlang rong bol na po mitrangkai tak ani a mission veng VDP President Masaber ni in mission veng OMA Vice President le Senior Advisor ani to a Tuna local council kanti tak village council tia soi ani ilai khan VC khan tram ni chung member alo ni to bok kum sang ni pani atangin politics alo chil trana Indian National Congress a omin vo in thlangin ala chu san lo kum sang ni pariat MLA in thlanpuya MLA tan INC ticket a thlantlin ani a kum sang ni som pathuma INC ticket a thlantlin le ni in Mizoram Sarkara Parliamentary Secretary na chalin vo in thlengin he na hi ala thok ani MPCC a ruai poimo tak ni in ex service cell andin line chairman ani a Secretary na le GS na po alo chel to ani MZP in politician eirulo thlana mi pui thlan chu a alang chu heti hian soi alom kati a midang tam tak KIFL thlan a langlo an nge yang ti karing Kaini hisu asam pulmaya kan ngaya MZP in corruption dona chikhata in malang na hian result tra ani zel ka bei seya trang ro du sak na kala na cheu ati ani